Welcome back to Advent of Code 2022. This is day 6. I'm back home. Feels good to be back home. My computer just fully crashed during the last take, so hopefully this one doesn't. We're going to be doing day 6 here. I'm putting timestamps in the description so you can scrub to where you want to go. I've got all my code up on GitHub, and yeah, like and subscribe. Let's get started. Day 6. Tuning trouble. The preparations are finally complete. You and your elves leave camp to make your way towards the Starfruit Grove. As you move through the dense undergrowth, one of the elves gives you a handheld device. It says many fancy features, but the most important one set up right now is the communication system. However, because he's heard you have significant experience dealing with signal-based systems, actually, I did work in DSP for a while, building radars and sonars, so they kind of know what I do. He convinced the other elves that it would be okay to give you their one malfunctioning device. Surely you'll have no problem fixing it. As if inspired by comedic timing, the device emits a few colorful sparks. Haha. To be able to communicate with the elves, the device needs to lock onto their signal. The signal is a series of seemingly random characters the device receives one at a time. To fix the communication system, you'll need to add a subroutine to the device that detects a start of packet marker, which is indicated by 4 characters that are all different. The device will send you a subroutine, a data stream buffer, your puzzle input. Your subroutine needs to identify the first position where the 4 most recently received characters were all different. Specifically, it needs to report the number of characters from the beginning to the buffer to the end of the first such 4 character marker. For example, if you receive the following data stream buffer, then JPQM, and then we would emit 1, 2, 3, 7, right? So 7th character. Okay, cool. So we understand the problem that we can now pretty much do it. Our input is lines, list of strings. Each of these is a data stream. So data stream is a string, and we're going to have list of data stream. And we don't really have to do anything to the input because we're just getting input lines. And well, let's see the input. Oh, it's just a single line. All right. And yeah, so we just need return input stream equals raw dot strip. Well, raw's already stripped down below, so we actually even easier. Cool. And in part 1, we just need to walk the entire stream looking for the first 4 characters that are different. So we'll just keep a track of the last 4 characters and report the index plus 4 of where it is all different. And the way it can be all different is if like the set length is equal to 4. So let's assume there could be that we're looking for 4 characters. So find first unique substring with stream, data stream, and len length int, and we're going to return int. Yeah, so we can just for I in range len of stream minus length, if len of set, if length equals len of set of stream from I to I plus length is equal to the length, then return I plus length. Return find first unique. My tab completion isn't working right now, but that's okay. Substring input.stream 4 and return -1, so we get an actual return here. Yeah, this seems pretty good. Yeah, let's run it. Oh, let's get an example. We need to grab an example. This example has 5. Example 1 is 5. Python day 6, example 1, Python 3, day 6. Sorry, getting used to this setup. 5. All right, so I'm pretty sure we did it right. So I'm going to write the input 1896, and here we go. That's correct. Cool. So we did it right. Good work. Day 6. So let's go to part 2. Your device is correctly detecting packets, but it still isn't working. Looks like it also needs to look for messages. The start of message marker, just like a start of packet marker, except it consists of 14 distinct characters. Hey guys, aren't you glad we wrote a function that could take a length argument? It's like I've done these before. Here's the first positions of start of message markers for all the above examples. So now we just need to the first start of message marker. So this is trivially simple based on how we wrote our initial problem. We just do 14 and we run it on the input because we're cowboys and we think we're right. Bam, we are right. Good job today, guys. This turned out to be a pretty easy one. We got it done quick. So nice work, and we'll see you next time. Bye.